all animals clean themselves a little bit differently, and for chickens, what they do is they take a dust bath. So today I'm going to show you how to make a dust bath for your birds. To make this a little bit easier for me, what I've done is I've marked my bucket on the inside at the different levels that I need it. And then I can just pour in the ingredients, make sure that they're level, match up with the markings, and I'm good to go. The first ingredient is 2 gallons of sand. You can have it be fine or just a little bit coarse. The next ingredient is 1 gallon of topsoil. Both the soil and the sand are good for killing parasites. In addition, they help with oil control because they make oils that go on their feathers and make them waterproof. Well, if it's on there for too long, it actually encourages parasites to grow on them. Additionally, it helps them to slough off any of the dead skin cells, and so that also helps with parasite issues. The next ingredient is wood shavings, and you want to make sure that it's not cedar and not treated wood, and you'll do 1 gallon of that. Now this sawdust is also good for oil control on the birds, but in addition, sometimes the birds will poop in their dust bath, so what this will do is it will absorb that moisture and decrease odor. Our next ingredient is going to be 1/2 gallon of wood ash. It's a little windy here, so that's picking it up a bit. Wood ash is not only anti-parasitic, it's also antibacterial, and when they ingest it, they get vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, so great addition. Next, we'll add 1/4 gallon or 1 quart of herbs. In this case, I'm using lavender. Now, lavender is not only a pest repellent and makes it smell better in here, but it also helps relieve stress for the birds. So when you have layers, it increases their egg production. The last ingredient is 1/4 gallon or 1 quart of diatomaceous earth. The only thing you have to be careful about with this is you don't want to breathe in the dust of it, because it's not good for your lungs. So I just try to be careful as I'm pouring it in. A little harder on the windy days. The primary benefit of adding diatomaceous earth to the dust bath is its ability to kill off the parasites. You could mix this together by going from one bucket to another bucket, or you could pour it into a wheelbarrow and use a shovel to mix it, but I have a concrete mixer, so that's how I'm going to do it. And then it's all ready to be added to your chicken dust bath.